So what I have learned, so that thing I was asked to present. And presently here I will basically cover four things. The first thing will be our present basically manufacturing unit, which is Tata Steel subsidiary, which is basically Ceramic Private Limited, mainly focusing into bioceramics. Then the technologies that our team has worked with various research organizations in India, and nearly around 12 to 13 technologies we have taken up. Many of them we have not been successful. I will discuss that why we have not been successful in Indian ecosystems and what were the difficulties when we were startups or MSMEs to take it up. Mainly biomaterials. So Tata Steel has started the new material division with the concept that steel has a recyclability, in fact, cyclicability issues, and also there are need of biomaterials and bioceramic technologies to be developed in India. So, new material business identified 3-4 areas within which a main important area was biomaterials. So, in the biomaterials, it was been identified that bioceramics is prime area, and those technologies have not been developed in India. And we should start developing those with Tata Steel and R&D and ISC. So in 2021, the project got very much nicely completed, and the teams gelled very well. And we all thought that it probably can be transferred into a product. And Tata Steel was very much interested to commercialize these products into their brand, in fact, under their umbrella. So we formed Ceramic in 2022, in fact. And in the last 1 year of operation, we first made a pilot scale, which was been able to manufacture 200 kg per month. And now we started another manufacturing unit, which is purely clean room and which has a ISO 13485 compliant facility with all fraternity. Then we also have research grade 3D printing grade materials, which are being mixed with PLA, PLGA and other things, and used for 3D printing applications, biomedical applications and other grades. We also have different grades for toothpaste applications, because fluorides are not very much good for health. So, and hydroxyapatite being a very well biomedical materials, and it enters into your tooth cavity and then remineralizes and gives you your fresh basically tooth. So these materials are well studied and already are being utilized commercially. So we are already into the replacement market for basically nano paste and nano hydroxyapatite paste and nano hydroxyapatite powders. So the products that are going to come very soon are beta TCP, which are very much bioresorbable, and also the alpha TCP, which are basically usually used for the through mouse model and other processes. Though these are not final finished product, but even as a raw material, we have to carry out all biocompatibility, immunohistopathology, all tests, and we ensure that these are properly equivalently biocompatible like the market standard products. We also have introduced the dental toothpaste grade hydroxyapatite, which are nano hydroxyapatite paste, and that we have basically benchmarked with one of the best Fluid Nova of Portugal. And we are very sure that this kind of materials also can be manufactured in India in large quantities of tons level. So this has shown that the remineralization aspect of calcium phosphate, that always helps. And what is the demand of the market? Who are the competitors? Which products are there? Which products you have to keep the benchmark? Whether we have all the testing and regulatory applications. We do know the regulatory requirements. Many of the times we don't know and we fall into the product trap. We come with a product which didn't survive in the market and fails. So that experience already I had. We also realized that when you are in startup mode, the most important part is survival. The first important part is sales and invoicing. Without that, the startups cannot survive on grants. We have to look invoicing, we have to do design, we have to do everything. Means from design to accounts, you have to know everything. And it's not possible without a team. One person cannot do it. And it is the most important part that you have a very good team who really hold your hand and take you to that level. So my feelings, that is my feeling, that people management and finance management is the key for making a successful organization. Except the technology. Technology can come from research, technology you can develop, but these two are the main parameters. And the third thing is that you must have some continuous grit. You have to stay in the field. Whatever the difficult time it will come, you just have to stay in the wicket and play. In fact, so that's, thank you.